Did you know that someone with just a phone and internet can earn thousands of dollars from YouTube? And the crazy part, you don't even need millions of subscribers. In this video, I will show you exactly how beginners are making money on YouTube and how you can start today. Welcome to Build Money Academy, the channel where we talk about money, success, and financial growth. If you want to learn how to make money online and build financial freedom, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Step number 1 is simple. Start a YouTube channel. You only need 3 things: a smartphone, internet connection, and a good idea. Choose a niche like finance, motivation, tech, education, gaming, storytelling. The key is to pick something people search for. Most beginners make one big mistake. They focus on views instead of value. If your video solves a problem or teaches something useful, people will watch it. For example, how to earn money online, best side hustle, investment tips, AI tools. Helpful videos always perform better. To start earning from ads, you need to reach the YouTube Partner Program. Requirements are 1000 subscribers, 4000 watch hours in the last 12 months, or 10 million shorts views in 90 days. Once you reach this, YouTube will start placing ads on your videos. Here's the secret most people don't know. Ads are not the only way to make money. Here are 5 ways YouTubers earn. Number 1. Ad revenue. YouTube pays you for ads. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions. Number 3. Sponsorships. Brands pay you to promote them. Number 4. Selling courses or products. Number 5. Channel memberships and donations. Some creators make more from affiliates than ads. If you want to grow fast, follow this strategy. Upload 3 to 4 videos every week. Use strong thumbnails and titles. Keep video engaging in the first 10 seconds. Remember, every big YouTuber starts with 0 subscribers. The difference between successful creators and everyone else is simple. They didn't quit. Start today, upload your first video, and keep improving. If you want more videos about making money online and financial growth, subscribe to Build Money Academy and comment below what type of YouTube channel do you want to start.